Yo, Buras, Zambian Buras. It's your boy, the American man. Live in Los Angeles, LA. Niggas, America is proud of Mongo. Yeah. Have you heard about the Mongo color face? No, you haven't heard me right. Niggas, I'm talking about the 13th of November. It's gonna be bulky. Happening for a FaceTime. You know what color moon face means? You don't know. Let me tell you. Everybody in the city is gonna be painted, nigga. The whole body, even there, man, you're gonna be painted. It's gonna be you're gonna be looking like a slumber, like thriller. You know what, man? Okay, guys, you know what? It's getting bulky because Mix Sam is gonna be there with those two beautiful girls. No, their names Mwak. I don't know other one, but somebody's getting engaged, man. Talking about that, man, it's gonna be eagles because I hear the half nigga is gonna be there. You know, half nigga, sketty younger, John man. Yeah, so the nigga, half nigga is gonna be there. Nigga, it's gonna be booky because there gonna be a lot of niggas and more divas. Niggas, you know what I mean? Like, Bond, man. Hey, and this other guy, everybody in America can't pronounce the name. The only celebrity I know in Mongo. You know what I mean, guys? Like Sleets House Pillar. Like Sleets House Pillar. I don't know if it's a pillar of the house or this nigga is your pillar in Mongo, but this nigga's gonna be there. So don't be broke because rich kids are gonna be there. Guys, okay, we don't need underage people because under G's will be chest, but they will be there. Guys, like I don't know, like scaling, like scaling a sawoma. I don't know, scaling a sawoma or scaling a sawakuku. I don't understand, but scaling the man will be there too. Okay, everybody has been wondering, yeah, like it's hot and this nigga cool wire. Like, where did you find this cool wire in this summer? Because it's getting hot. Or Nelly is gonna be there. Guys, I'm gonna be back. I need to go and get some refresh. Rihanna waiting for me. I'm gonna be back, guys. I'm gonna be back. You know what I mean? I'll be back.